Hello, I'm coming on today with kind of a late video. I was in a swap in October and it was hosted by Patty, and she is Mommy and Me Crafts on YouTube. I will link her channel below. She had a one-on-one swap, so you make one and then you receive one, and it's called To Die For Swap 2023. I believe she does this every year. I think I even participated last year. So if you've been watching my channel, you'll be able to see the video showing what I made for the swap. So what this video is to show you what I received. Okay, so I'll move this out of the way for a minute. Patty had mentioned that she was giving each of us participants some goodies. She was able to get some donations from some of the companies, plus she did something cute on her own. And ta-da! So let's call this cute little skelly girl, let's call this Patty's mascot for her annual swap. So she's going to have this be the cute little, well, I'm just going to say mascot. So look what she gave us, you guys. This is one of those pins where you hang the charms. So she put, and then, skeleton means you're dead. To die, and the number 4, to die for. That's the name of her swap. And then she got these on BB Crafts, and then she also found the matching iron-on patches. And so she got us each one of these bags, made these freaking adorable pins, ironed on the skelly, and then inside, she gave us some goodies. So she made each one of us a pin. Isn't that so cute? And from some of her sponsors, we each get some things. This is from KS Craft. And look at this adorable shaker mix. There's beads and peppermints and spiders. Isn't that cute? I can't wait to use that for Halloween next year. And then from morebuttons.com, I got this cute box of clay Halloween themed pieces. There's mummies, Frankenstein, little skellies, big Frankensteins, little Frankensteins, but you can find lots of fun things at morebuttons.com. I just love that. This one is called Ghouls. And then also, one of the participants in Patty's swap is Alicia, and she's Alicia, and she's known as Lil Paper Crafter, and she sells Stampin' Up. So she gave each of us a $10 off with a $40 order coupon. So I thought that was super sweet. And then this is cardstock from the cardstock shop, and we have Starry Night Glitter, Disco Party, and Autumn Orange. Aren't they beautiful? So I'm excited to use those on some swaps. So that was super sweet of them too. And then Barely Arts. If you're not familiar with Barely Art, here is their glue. It's absolutely awesome glue. And now they've added adhesive foam tape to their store. And so I got a packet of the little small foams. Let's see, I might have different sizes in here. I'm not sure. Let's take a look. Oh, look at these itty bitty. Those are itty bitty. Oh no, these are strips. Okay, so these are strips, and then these are the little squares. So I'm super excited to use these. They're great sizes for all my crafting. So if you're not familiar with Barely Art, you'll want to visit their website. And you can also buy refill bottles for your glue. Okay, so that was what Patty gave us. And thank you, Patty. I love everything, and that was so kind of you. And thanks to the sponsors as well. I'm excited about my bag. I just think that's the cutest thing in the whole world. So I'll move those out of the way. And You guys, this cutie is just chock full. So this comes from Natalie, and she is Ndecor, and I will put her link below also. And I'm not going to list what the requirements were. I'll just show you everything that's so cute in this. So obviously you can see that it's a hand mitt, an oven hand mitt, and it has a skelly hand. And then she's put this cute embellishment on it with lots of foam and tape. Isn't that cute? She's sewn across spooky. I just think it's adorable. And then on the side is this cute stripe ribbon, which I love. Black and white striped ribbon is my favorite. For some reason, it's just become my favorite. Isn't that so cute? Okay, so we're going to take out now so I can show you everything inside this cutie. It is chock full, you guys. Oh, and look, on the back, she had this cute skelly. This is a skeleton banner from Dollar Tree. I bought some of these this year too, and you can just take it apart and then put these in your Halloween projects. Absolutely adorable. I love those. Okay, so she had this cute boo straw, and look how she's put all this darling ribbon on it. Things like this always look so cute sticking out of your swaps. They just add that extra special touch. Just like this. Look at that. It's a pick that says boo. And then she's put on a wood ghost. There's a rosette, some string, and she's layered it up. Can you see how thick that is? Just layered it up with just cute, cute ephemera. Isn't that adorable? Things like this I keep. I have a shelf on my wall, and I put it all on the shelf because I love to keep it and look at it all year. I will tell you, one of the requirements was to provide some die cuts. And look at this cute bag topper. It's a spider web. And then she's got, this is a shaker in clear plastic. And then again, she's layered it up and sewn across. So cute. So see, I can use this again. Just take that off. See, I can use that on someone's package. So very cute. I'm excited to see all these die cuts. I saw them on Patty's YouTube channel when she was showing what everybody mailed to her before she sent them out. But everything's always so much cuter in person. Have you noticed that? Oh, these are just adorable. I've never seen this die, but look at that. The witch's legs sticking out of the cauldron. Isn't that freaking adorable? And then, oh my gosh, these are so cute. Some donuts. These have little spiders and ghosties. Oh, so cute. Here's a cute little broom. Let's see. Why can't I tell what? Oh, they're flowers. Okay, these are flowers. Oh, those are so cute. It took me a minute to realize. I love that holographic paper and the glitter. Glitter paper always makes your projects look so cute. Aren't those cute? And see, I can layer these up. When I make a project, you can fold the petals up and then put tape on this one, and you can just layer these up, and they are so cute. And then she even sewed on these too. Gosh, Natalie, you did a lot of work. Here's Ghoul, Scary, Spooky. Sewing on your ephemera just gives that extra cute touch. And a lot of people just leave the string like that. It's just so adorable. It's just cute. I love that. And then here's some cute witch hats. Those are so cute. Another broom, another witch hat. Aren't those cute? And witch, October 31st. 2 of these. And another broom, another witch hat. She did a lot of die cuts for us. Trick or treat. These are so cute. And look at these cute bats. Oh my gosh. I love all those die cuts, Natalie. Thank you so much. Those are adorable. I'll just set those out of the way. And then, oh, this looks darling too. My gosh, she is really a great crafter. Lots of details and time spent. You can just tell by looking that she has spent a lot of time. Okay, I'm just gonna cut that open. I got these scissors from Dollar Tree and they barely cut. Okay, then, oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay, she made, oh, this is just darling. She made a broom, see, out of a straw with crepe paper. And then she's got a hat and a bead charm. And then she's layered it up with some ephemera. Isn't that so cute? That's another keeper that I'll put on my shelf. And then look at this cute bow. Oh my gosh, this is darling. Oh, I love how she's tied it with the string and the yarn. Okay, let's see what's in here. If I can get this undone. See if my fingers want to work today. Okay. No, I'm getting there. Okay. In here we have, oh, cute. One of the requirements was some unembellished shakers. So here's the unembellished shakers, the bat, the cute ghosty pumpkin, and a star. And I love these where you can see all the way through. I think they're adorable. Those will be so fun to use next year on some projects. And then we did have to do a sequin mix. So she's put sequin shot in these cute shot. What do you call these? Shot. I don't know what you call them. Shots. But you can get these at Dollar Tree at Halloween time. Look how cute. She's used that same yarn and string. And then the sequin mixes are just adorable. I love the colors. Oh, syringe. That was the word I was looking for. Aren't those cute? Oh my gosh, those are cute. And then here's a bag topper. This is just great, great stuff. Now they did such a good job. Another bag topper. And again, it's just layered. It's a chunky monkey. So cute. So fun to put on another bag. Add that to my goodie pile over there. And then look at these cute bows. She's got a bag topper, a bow, a darling glitter bat, eek, some leaf ribbon underneath. And I have not seen the die for these bows. These are absolutely adorable. So she's put them on some clear plastic. Look how cute. Oh, the glitter just makes it pop. I love that. Darling. And then she sent me some party drink bags. You know, these would be fun for drinks, obviously, but you could also put some sequins in here for a swap. Thank you. Those are adorable. And then these cute stickers. These come from Target, I believe. Look how cute they are. They're puffy stickers. Those will be fun, too, for next year. And then Jolie always has the cutest dimensional stickers. You can find these at Joann's. And maybe Hobby Lobby, too. Aren't they so cute? Oh, so Natalie did such a great job. I love everything. I will link her and Patty below. I hope you had as much fun watching this to see all the cuteness. I hope you had as much fun as I did. So thank you for watching, and please come back for another video. Hope you're having a great day. Bye for now.